something I dey see as a bad thing, but it's only when I begin dey marry my husband now I notice and say I no see any bad thing o. Say most of the pastors I come dey see them where I could not even mention their names. Most of them come here, my oga come dey work for them. I can't even begin dey see say most of them sef dey even dey seek power from him.
Hello my people, I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Also na dey fine, na do well, so na take dey help me, take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. I really appreciate una well. My people, maybe some of una don see this video of this lady with her husband. Maybe some of una never even see am, so I just say may I bring am come from una. This one na story of this lady wey dem dey call Lolo. I go put the full video, una go watch, una go see wetin she talk for there. Now wow, this woman na prayer warrior person. When you meet say prayer warrior, people wey those one wey just dey carry church put for head, then they pray morning, afternoon, evening. You say na that kind person na she be. The time when she dey grow, they come. So when she come grow now, everything come change. You understand? So she come marry this native doctor, one powerful native doctor like that, popular one. You see as in they grow, they come in, they go church well. So she not even they missed to they go church. Anything by church, she did there. Say she surprised, say something come turn around, say one day now she can't go the shrine of this man. Maybe she then go do something for them. You see, as in they go there now the man can't tell her and say, time they come, where go be say, now you now could go be my wife. You say when you tell her like that, now you can't say, they owe me where they go church power, person where just they preach like this, where just they pray, prayer warrior like that. I go come be say, tomorrow she go come be your wife. You will not even they go church. Would you wait they do something where not supposed to? No. He says so true or something can't happen. If she can't tell her mother, that her mother can't say the man old pass you. He says she can't say and say nah true. This man you old pass me. I don't feel marry person way old pass me, and you know even they go church. See waiting if they serve. Sote my people. She go finish for there. Now then, she go finish, she go marry that man. You say people come they laugh and come they talk say, you where they go church, where put church for head. See where you go end. Now person where they do all this native thing, now you go marry. So she talk about her story, everything. The one where it shocked me for inside, where shock my inside body. She talk and say some pastor, popular pastor, where will they see? Say some of them they come where a husband they come they take power. Hey, my people, wonder shall never end. Not the way person not go see. We fed the year all these things anyway. We fed the year and not be new thing. We fed the year and say then go they condemn those people for back when they pray. But now inside there, now then they go they take their power when they say bow down, do this one, do the other one. Now only God now go save our children, now go save us for all these people hand, because they will tell you say you not go there, but they will go there, go they seek for power. Now only God now know everything. She talk with her mouth because she na person when they go church when you they pray, no say all this prayer when you they pray everything go they shake. He said now that kind of person now she be before, but she see where she can't finish. I will put the video, my people. Mona listening well. Mona hearing from her ear, no, because not be saying na me can talk. Now wait till she talk with her mouth. My people, may I end this audio for you. Mona beg, Mona help me to share. And they see the share, one and they share. God go bless una. I appreciate una. I love una well. Una do well for my body. One love, my people. Keep us together. Mona listen. Mona still share to other people. Make them still hear. Because not be the first time where we they hear something like this. Say all these pastors then they take power where they say me or their members not they go. Una do well. Una bye. One love.
When I newly married to him, some of my friends they begin to mock me, say after my church, because I'm a very strong church person and they a prayer warrior, Jericho destroyer. So some of my friends, when they now hear say I dey marry chief priest, some of them was mocking at me. At the end of it, look at where she now find herself. I'm not regretting the reason why I married him. Many people, even my friends, they are happy with me now because I'm doing well. My name na Lolo Ebelechukwu Obi. I be the wife of the chief priest Idemili Cultural Center Agolo. I visited him and I said when I was coming that the shrine told him that he should look up, that this girl coming down right now, that girl is the wife that the shrine sent for him, that will take care of him at the old age. I dey look the age, I dey look myself. I don't know what to say. I did not respond though. When I tell my mother say no, say I will not go and marry him, or that the man is old man. And I told him that I will reason that when I was growing up, that they show me a place that I was sitting as a lolo. That maybe is that dream that I was seeing is this. My mom was not happy with me that time. And the man even tell me, say years back, 25 years ago, that people from Arabagana called him to come and collect offer. And I came from Abagana, that your Arabagana told him that he will come and stay with him for the rest of his life. And that Arabagana is a woman. I didn't even know that the Arabagana sent me to come and visit him for my own problem. I know they fear the work because when I was growing up, anywhere I went to, even at the pastor place, they always tell me, say I be Ezewany. I have a call. They always prophesize about me, that I'm a great person. So I didn't even know that it was like this. That if I refuse to do this work, to accept this work, that they will make me mad. So I knew say I call for the work, and I'm beside him. That time where I dey go church, where I be prayer warrior, I dey see those things, all these native something, I dey see as a bad thing. But it's only when I begin to marry my husband. Now I notice and say I no see any bad thing. Say most of the pastors, I can't dey see them where I could not even mention their names. Most of them come here, my oga come dey work for them. I can't even begin to see say most of them they seek power from him. But when they go back to their church, they will start begin to cast the water spirit, die, do this, do that. So I now begin to see say culture na natural. And they prefer this one, because when I want to pray, I will bring my cola. I will just talk straight to God. Some people, they reason say no, only for church now you go get your solution. They pray for them, spirit husband die. Whereas the spirit husband will just stay there. If it be safe for you to come for culture, we just go and settle the spirit husband. Their physical husband will come out for the planet. You go marry your husband and enjoy your marriage. They tell them for church, say they go do deliverance for them. Whereas you don't go at deliverance for how many years? Whereas the same thing where they happen to you, go see they happen to you. When you buy things and go to the river and settle the spirit wife or spirit husband, the spirit husband or spirit wife will leave you alone. There's difference between culture. People where they do culture, they do sham. Who they do oracle? No, they do sham.